cannibalization and traffic decay are silent killers for enterprise SEO, and fixing them usually requires a developer, not anymore. Inside Mission Control, our Cannibalization Resolver automatically flags when Google is confused about which page should rank. Look at this. 2 URLs fighting for the exact same keyword, splitting the authority. To fix this, I don't need to log into the host or write redirect rules. I click Resolve Conflict. I select the primary page and instruct the system to deploy an Edge-Level Canonical. EAP instantly overrides the HTTP headers at the edge, forcing Google to respect the primary URL. Conflict resolved. Next, the Decay Tracker. When a historical money page starts bleeding traffic, EAP flags it before the client notices. One click triggers an AI content gap analysis, comparing your live page against the new search intent. You don't just see the data, you deploy the exact semantic patch required to resuscitate the URL. Stop analyzing your traffic bleeds and start fixing them at the edge.